Hi guys, I will be teaching you how to use the website FunBrain. So you want to open up a new tab and type in www.funbrain.com. And once you do enter the website, you will see games, readings, videos, playground, and math zone at the top. Now it will just be easier for you just to click your grade level. And they have pre-K through 8th. So once you scroll down on the home screen, it will show you like everything that's popular games, popular videos, popular books, and new games and new videos. So if you don't see what you want to play or read, you can click the top, click games. It will show you all the other games. And these games can be educational or can just be appropriate games for the kids. Hit readings at the top. So say if I was in the 5th to the 8th grade and I wanted to read the Diary of the Wimpy Kid, I'm going to click it and I can read it. Just like in a little notebook. Then I'm going to go to videos. And these videos are all appropriate videos for the kids, for them to watch. Can be music videos, how to solve problems, or educational videos, and just videos for the kids to watch, like the Teen Titans, Young Justice. In the playground, for pre-K and kindergarten students, they can just play games here, read, just like a playground. You can also go to Math Zone. In the Math Zone, you can watch videos and play games to help the student with their math skills. So everything on this website is educational and appropriate for the student. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys use this website.